What's up, crypto fiends? Average crypto investor, aka investigating the blockchain, here to talk about doing research on the blockchain. Have you ever tried to look into transactions on the blockchain and gotten lost? Well, I am here today to help you with that. Today, I will be sharing my top 3 tips and tricks to understanding transactions on the blockchain. As always, nothing said in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing into any project. Have you found yourself flipping back and forth between addresses on the blockchain and you keep coming back to the same contract? This can happen very quickly, especially when trying to explore a project with several different smart contracts. One of the easiest ways to help alleviate this confusion is my first tip: private tags. If you create an account on your blockchain explorer, you will be able to use a naming feature to create name tags and private notes. You may notice that some addresses have names already on the blockchain explorer. These are usually submitted by the protocol to the explorer so that way there is more visibility to the investor. But if you are investing in a smaller or newer project, it may be useful to tag the contract with your own names. It is important to note that these names are private to your account and are not shared with other users. Another useful application of the naming feature is tagging whale accounts. Sometimes it can be useful to watch what whales are doing, especially on a macro basis. When you look at movements in and out of projects from multiple whale accounts, it can be a good signal that you should probably see if there's something they know that you don't. This brings me to my next tip, utilizing DBank. DBank is an incredibly useful tool for 2 different reasons. The first is revoking permissions to smart contracts you no longer use. It is possible to unlink your account, but that does not mean that the smart contract can't access your account. You will need to revoke permissions to ensure if this contract is breached, your account will be safe. This is one of the most useful features of DBank. The other useful feature that DBank has is it's a one-stop shop for all the blockchains connected to one address. This allows you to view the amount of tokens across blockchains in one place instead of going to separate blockchain explorers. It also allows you to view tokens that are invested into most DeFi protocols even though they aren't currently held in the individual wallet. DBank definitely makes some of the more manual actions of checking different protocols super easy and convenient. The last tip and trick I have for you when it comes to blockchain explorers is checking token holders. This comes in 2 forms: checking the total number of holders and the largest holders individually. Checking the total number of holders gives you a quick snapshot over time whether or not the project is bringing new investors. Keeping track of the top holders allows you to watch for large movements as well as keeping an eye on the protocol's own wallets. This is an excellent way to quickly identify devs and other insider wallets to watch for any major sell-offs that could result in a change of market sentiment. I will also say as a bonus tip for the last one, it can be incredibly helpful to check the first funding transaction for wallets of new projects before investing. When you check and see where the original funds for the smart contract or LP token came from, you can cross-reference that wallet against rug pulls. If anyone wants to quickly spin up a website that has a list of rug pull wallet addresses, that would be super awesome. Did you find these tips and tricks useful? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you can be alerted when my next video goes live. That's all for now, stay safe, and don't worry, crypto fiends, we are all going to make it.